Hey everybody, it's Gio.
Y Juan Carlos.
And welcome to
The Boardwalk.
Yay! So we are checking into the villas here at the Boardwalk, and for the first time we're going to be staying in a one-bedroom villa. Super excited about it. Our room is ready, so come with us. We're going to check in, we're going to give you a room tour, another little resort overview, and as always, at the end we will come back, give you our full feedback.
Well, I'm partial because this is my favorite deluxe Disney resort.
It is. Even though the Grand Floridian is our home resort, we are partial to the Boardwalk. It holds special memory. All right, let's go get checked in. All right, everyone, we're going to do a room tour of our one-bedroom villa here at Disney's BoardWalk Villas. We're in 4082. Let's go check it out. All right. When you enter the room, you're immediately greeted with this nice little mirror and a little closet. Extra pillow and blankets. All the things. And one of the things I love about this resort is all the cute artwork. Got Donald and Huey, Dewey, and Louie taking a stroll. And you've got this little kitchen table, dining room table, perfect. And you get a full kitchen in a one-bedroom villa. And of course, as always with DVC, they're fully appointed cups, dishes, pots, pans, a Keurig coffee maker, and a regular coffee maker. You get both here. Nice little range, microwave, toaster, all the things. And a couple cool chairs at the bottom. We got some drawers, some cabinets, and as always with the DVC, you've got a nice little sitting area. And of course that pulls out. It is a Murphy bed. Juan Carlos will demonstrate as always. We're not moving all the furniture, but there you go. You know what happens. But we love to see Donald sleeping behind. So cute. All right. Now we're going to check out our view. We have two balconies in this. Oh wait, yes, this table is actually really cool. If you're working, it raises up, or if you want to use it as a little table, and there's storage on the inside. Super convenient. Thank you, Juan Carlos. Love ya. Let's go outside. What's happening out here? Check out our view. We are overlooking the pool. Let's see the swan and the dolphin in the distance. All the kids and families having fun on the water slide. Can't go wrong. And you got two little chairs out here. Gotta love it, right?
We love it.
We love it. All right, we're gonna go check out the rest. We're gonna go into the bathroom area, but before we make our way in there, as with all DVCs, you've got a nice stackable washer dryer. And then this is the bathroom, single vanity in here with the toilet and the walk-in shower. Let's check out the inside of the shower. Wow. A nice above, as well as a handheld. And of course, the Disney soaps that we all love. And this has a walk-through bathroom, so there's a door here so the guests out front can come in, and then we also have off the main bedroom a tub, another vanity, another single vanity, but a lot of storage in this one. Got two drawers, cabinets, and some space down below. Beautiful mirror, makeup mirror, and a walk-in closet. Check this out. Got the hairdryer up there. Again, your ironing board, another safe, luggage rack. Plenty of storage in this villa. Now we're going to move on. Wait, I can't move on without showing you this cute artwork above the tub. Yeah, Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, and Donald hanging out at the boardwalk in the swan boats. Gotta love it. And in the primary bedroom, you've got a nice king-size bed, another dresser with several drawers, cute artwork here. We've got Goofy, Daisy looking sassy, and Donald giving her the side eye. Another window here, which was nice. It looks like we're on a corner unit. Little sitting chair, plenty of space, and another balcony off the bedroom. This is lovely. And as always with our room tours, it's very important to check out what is the power situation next to the bed. And it's nice to see we've got 2 outlets on this side with a USB and a USB-C. And if we go to the other side, it looks like we have the same 2 power outlets, a USB and a USB-C. Excellent. And on the dresser across the way here, again, got another power outlet, USB-C and USB. So there's a quick room tour, as always, as we said at the beginning, and we'll give you our full feedback of how we felt staying here for the 3 nights that we're here, and give you the good, perhaps the not so good, and all the in-betweens. A fair and honest review of staying here at Disney's BoardWalk Villas 1-bedroom deluxe villa. All right, everyone, so we are now in the cake bake shop here at Disney's BoardWalk, and if you look over my shoulder here, it's Brandon and Drew. They came all the way over here to say hi on my birthday. I love you guys. You get to be on the video twice. So we came here to get a little slice of birthday cake on my birthday. They walked all the way through Epcot to come say hi to me. That's pretty special. I love it. So we've been here before, but let me turn the camera around because you got to see how amazing and delectable and delicious all of these cakes are. Oh, yeah. A little slice of heaven right here. Look at the chocolate chip cookies even have glitter, or as they call it, fleur de sel. By the way, if you've never tried the Magic Bar, you guys, unbelievable. All right, so I decided to get carrot cake because that's one of my favorites. And the young lady working the door said it was her favorite, so it was meant to be. And look how sparkly it is. I love it.
Cumpleaños, feliz cumpleaños, feliz cumpleaños. Hey.
Oh, my husband just sang to me. I love it. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you, Drew. I love you guys. Yay, we're going to have some cake. Juan Carlos is doing some photography on his mobile phone. Beautiful. And here we are standing in between Disney's Yacht Club and Beach Club. As you can see, there's a boat in the distance taking off. This is the Lighthouse Pier over here. And if you're staying at either of these resorts, this is where you can pick up boat transportation that'll take you either to Disney's Hollywood Studios or Epcot. The boat will also take you across to the Boardwalk Resort if you're not wanting to walk around the entire lake. You can also pick up the boat right in front of the Boardwalk Resort, which will also take you to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot, or across to the Yacht and Beach Club. You know, when the sun sets and it becomes dark at Walt Disney World, it becomes truly magical. Right now I'm on the boardwalk. We've just left Disney's Yacht and Beach Club, and we're taking a stroll back over to the boardwalk, which is on the other side of this beautiful lagoon. But you know, there's something really special at nighttime. I mean, just look at the beauty of all of those lights reflecting off this lake. It's peaceful, it's quiet. The temperatures are much nicer in the evening than they are in the heat of the day. So, if you're ever staying at a Disney resort, I highly suggest you get out and just take a stroll. Totally worth it, especially at night. And the way they light up all of these resorts at night, it's very, very, very sweet. It's definitely magical taking a stroll on the boardwalk after the sun has gone down. It's peaceful, it's quiet, quite beautiful. All right, we're inside Muscles and Bustles here at Disney's Boardwalk. It's a very nicely appointed gym. You've got all you need to get a good workout in, from free weights to machines to cardio. It's quite nice. I'm going to let Juan Carlos tell you what he thinks of it since he's been using it.
Yeah, I came here every day since we got here, and yeah, this gym has a lot of equipment and the basic that you need to do a great workout, and it also has a steam room and a sauna. But yeah, overall, I use a lot of free weights for my workout, and they have, a good selection of them. They also have towels, and then water, of course, and they have refreshment towels.
Nice.
Pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Awesome.
All right, everyone. So sadly, our time here at the BoardWalk Villas has come to an end.
Yeah.
Why is it sad?
Because we love this place.
We do. This is one of our favorite resorts to stay at Walt Disney World, for sure. It is Juan Carlos's favorite. Why is it your favorite?
It is my favorite because it was the first luxury resort, Disney resort, that we stayed at together, and right before our wedding. So that was special, and because I love that we have the boardwalk and the other resorts that we can just go back and forth, and just by walking as we did tonight, and the boat that takes you to those resorts or to the parks. I love that. It's very convenient.
So yeah, as Juan Carlos said, staying at this resort is very special, and it's always going to hold a special place in our heart because it was our pre-honeymoon stay, literally the week before we got married.
Yep.
And it was very special then. And this was a very special stay for us as well because this is the first time we've ever stayed in a one-bedroom villa here at the BoardWalk Villas. And we were lucky enough to get a one-bedroom villa pool/garden view room, and our room overlooked the family pool area with the water slide, which I enjoyed.
Yeah, I enjoy it too. And it's not, for people who might be wondering, it's not loud. Every now and then you can hear some laughter.
Yeah, I didn't mind that.
Yeah, no.
It sort of filled the ambiance. Like during the day, we've been doing some work from home while we're here, and yeah, you could hear kids screaming out of the pool and having a good time, but it wasn't like crazy loud. So, and I sort of liked it because it reminded me that people outside that window were having a good time, and that we were soon going to be having a good time. And speaking of pools, we were able to enjoy that pool as well as the quiet pool, which is on the other side of this wing. And we enjoyed both of those pools immensely.
I did the water slide a couple times because I love a water slide.
He does. So let's talk about the villa itself. There are so many good qualities about staying. I really don't have anything negative to say about staying in this particular villa. Everything from the power situation, which blows my mind. Every outlet near the bed, on the credenza by the bed, has USB, regular USB, and USB-C. And there's 4 outlets behind the nightstand, plus 1 in the nightstand. Anyway, for me, that's a huge win. The villa itself is very nicely appointed. It's comfortable. The kitchen has everything that you need. The table is comfortable. I guess I would say that maybe the little chair next to the table, not the chairs, but the bench is a little lower than the chairs. So if you're here with kids, put your kids in the chairs and not the bench because the table's pretty high. And I'm pretty tall, but I felt when I sat in that bench, it was a little low. Again,
Also,
is that anything bad?
Yeah.
No, not at all.
Also, there's plenty, like a lot of storage
Yes.
everywhere.
There is so much storage in this room, much more than most of the other DVC resorts that we've stayed at. Comfort-wise, yeah, excellent. The bed was comfortable. The pillows could have been a little more firm for me. They're a little soft, but, double them up and you're good to go. The only problem we had, if there is a problem, is last night when we went to go to bed, we turned the TV on, and the TV had a bunch of striations, and it wasn't looking good. So I said to him, I'm like, turn it off, let's turn it back on. And then when we tried to turn it back on, it would not come back on. I tried unplugging it, plugging it back, it wouldn't work. Anyway, so we're like, let's just go to bed. We'll call in the morning. I called down this morning to maintenance. Within 10 minutes, they were here in the room. They fixed the TV fast.
Yep.
So again, that was like, I don't know how he fixed it, but he fixed it. Certainly beyond my technologically knowledge, or certainly beyond my knowledge base. But so for that was great. The service in the hotel has been fantastic.
Yeah, as always, everybody's really nice and pleasant to talk to. Very helpful, very knowledgeable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
And then the room, it's just beautiful. All the details, all
yeah, all the artwork.
All the artwork.
Yeah,
I love it. Yeah. So.
And even this couch that we're sitting on that turns into a bed is very comfortable. We've been using it during the day to work, so I like it. Very comfy. The shower is great because it's got the rain head shower plus the handheld shower. Good water temperature, good pressure. All of that's good.
You have washer and dryer, which we use, and it's very convenient as always.
Yeah, I love that because we get to go home with clean clothes. We're doing our final load right now. We got clothes in the dryer. We check out tomorrow and
Hoping to be back very soon.
Yes, we will for sure be back here. So that's our review of the one-bedroom villa here at Disney's BoardWalk Villas. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video. And if you're new to the channel, what do they need to do?
Please subscribe, like the video, share the video with friends and family, and comment.
Yeah.
Let us know what you want to know, and if you have any questions.
Yeah, absolutely. Put those questions below. And for all of you who've been watching us for a long time, we're very happy that we now have memberships available because many of you asked how you could support our channel. So if you're looking to help support us so we can continue to bring this type of content, just click the join button below. We offer 2 types of membership with some exclusive content and some things that the regular viewers don't get. But if you're just subscribed for free, we appreciate that too. So don't feel any pressure. Absolutely none. And as we always say around here, happiness is a lifestyle. And we really appreciate all of you watching as always. Until next time, bye everyone.